This is what we've been waiting for. A multifunctional hub that suits the demands of our life. Plug everything all at the same time, from charging multiple devices, attaching accessories, transferring data, and even accessing internet connection. This is the newest and first ADG 100 watts Gallium Nitride Charger and Hub. It's 100 watts Gallium Nitride technology that makes it a pocket-sized charger and hub that enables charging of 4 devices, while also connecting the laptop to either projector or television. This is also the first of its kind to launch an Ethernet port. It can directly connect your laptop to Wi-Fi router for a faster internet connection. The 3.5mm port for headphone is also a gift to every audiophile. Transferring data from micro SD and SD simultaneously is now possible while using other ports too, while the HDMI connection is an impressive 4K at 60 Hz. Pin converters suitable to different countries. That also makes it a travel-friendly hub. Needless to say, we can get all the job done in just the blink of an eye. ADG 100 watts Gallium Nitride Charger and Hub.